LM Studio versus Uba Buga. Which one is better? So let's find out. Number one is their features. LM Studio focuses on running and managing LLMs locally with an easy to use interface, while Uba Buga, or a text generation web UI, is more of advanced and customizable, supporting multiple model backends and fine tuning options. Number two, their ease of use. LM Studio is designed for beginners with a clean UI and one-click model downloads, while Uba Buga is a developer-oriented with more complex setup but deeper control. Number 3, their performance. Both of them depends on your hardware, but Uba Buga supports GPU optimizations and model extensions, while LM Studio focuses more on stability and plug-and-play usability. So, number 4 is their community. Uba Buga has a large open source following with tons of extensions, while LM Studio is growing rapidly with a reputation for being beginner friendly. Lastly is their pricing. Both of them are free, but Uba Buga may need more manual setup costs like GPU hosting or cloud rentals. And next, LM Studio works well on desktops with minimal setup. So for the final verdict, if you are new to AI, LM Studio is the better starting point for you. But if you are an advanced user that wants maximum customization, Uba Buga is the stronger choice for you. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.